Canada in World War II. World War II, or the Second World War, started in 1939. Germany, led by Adolf Hitler, attacked Poland and many countries in Europe. Canada joined the war to help stop Germany and its allies. More than 1 million Canadians and people from Newfoundland served in the war. About 44,000 Canadians died. Canadian soldiers fought in many places, including Hong Kong and France. Many soldiers were hurt or killed. The Royal Canadian Air Force flew planes in battles across Europe. Canada also trained many pilots for the Allied countries. The Royal Canadian Navy protected ships in the Atlantic Ocean from German submarines. Canada's Navy became one of the largest navies in the world. During the war, the Japanese attacked a lighthouse on Vancouver Island and sent fire balloons over BC and the prairies. The war ended in 1945 when Germany and Japan surrendered. During the war, many Japanese Canadians were forced to leave their homes in British Columbia. They were placed in internment camps. Later, in 1988, the Government of Canada apologized and gave compensation to the families.